Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me again, and here's another update on the 1964 Dodge Custom 880. Also, I did forget to mention that there will be before and after shots of just the entire manifold being cleaned up, pretty much removing all the grime and sludge that's on top of it. So there will be before and after shots of that. Well, some of it, not all. And yeah, I think I'll post the pictures up soon. Should be right with you. So far, this is what the manifold looks like all cleaned up. Honestly, I'm actually kind of looking this kind of look here as well, where it's just quote-unquote original with the original paint. So I was able to remove dirt wherever I can, or wherever I saw it. And I took a small little brush, like a little painter's brush, and just touched up the casting numbers on the manifold here. Here's our time casting there, and there's your casting date. It looks like 01X1. Also, you may be asking why I'm going through this entire length of removing metal from the stock manifold. Do go check out what was this? I believe his channel was called Uncle Tony's Garage. He ported and grinded down a couple pounds of metal out of a slant-six head, and I believe I can do something similar here on this cast iron intake and free up some metal, or free up some pounds there. But I'll leave one of the videos that I saw on Uncle Tony's Garage. It'll be located in the description, or I'll probably link it up somewhere in the video or something like that. There's a couple sections of metal that may potentially be removed, and I'm looking over here. It's this little jutting edge right here, but I may leave this alone because it's kind of has some paint over it of the original casting paint, but this can potentially be removed. Do you see that? That's just huge right there. I could probably knock off maybe half a pound right there. All in all, with the other castings, or bosses grinded down. So this is one of it. You can look at it from there we go. You can really see that casting boss right there. But then again, I'm not exactly sure if I want to take this too far on the removal, because it may compromise the structural integrity of the manifold. Down here you have another one, same story, and you have these areas right here, right there, center of the screen, and right there. Let's see where else. Down there and over here. So I believe I can grind down some of those just a little bit if possible, and I think that'll free up some weight. I know I'm not going to be gaining a lot of weight reduction here, but every little bit helps. I believe it was like maybe every 100 pounds, every 50 pounds, it equates to let's see, 1/10 of a second on the quarter mile at the strip. But yeah, I'm not gonna really touch the mating surfaces because they're kind of a little bit of a touchy subject. I don't really want to touch them too much and risk damaging the mating surface.